Okay guys, welcome back to another season of Trade Life with Billa. So today we'll be looking at our weekly outlook, what we're expecting price to do this week. So we'll just be looking at four pairs only. So currently we're on AUDCAD. So first of all, let's just see what price is doing on the daily time frame. Think of the daily time frame. Let's see. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we've just been having sweeps, sweep to the upside, sweep to the downside. So yeah, but I think price is in a downtrend. If you zoom in over here, looking at our daily trend over here, we see that price is moving down. So we have the impulsive move, the pullback, the move, the pullback, the move, the pullback, the move, the pullback, the move, the pullback, just like that. Price has just been pulling back and going down. Let's take my network. So yeah, price has just been moving in a downtrend since until this point where price decided to change to the upside, taking out two supply zones over here. So we've confirmed that price is bullish because now over here price has taken out this first supply over here, the high that created the last low, taking out that supply MS, then taking out this other supply over here. Now once price breaks two zones, we call that our shift. To me, that is called my shift. So yeah, we'll have a shift confirming that price is actually bullish over here. So now since we've confirmed price is bullish, we should be looking for buys on AUDCAD, not sales. But that does not mean we can't also sell. We can sell to buy, we can buy to sell, any one of them. So now let's zoom in. We know that price is bullish over, like right now. So let's see what price is doing. Over here we see that price is from here, the three phase has completed over here. That's the first push, the pullback, and the second push. So just like that, we have our pullback, we have our next push, we have our pullback, we have our next push. That means price has given us a break of structure up here. Now we're expecting price to break this low, because if price violates this first low and violates the second low, telling us that price might push lower. So over here we see that price has broken this first demand zone, that's this one, and also broken the second zone, that's this one, meaning price is going to be bearish. You get? So now over here we've confirmed price is bearish. Confirmed price is bearish over here because we have our double shift, our double break to demand zone field over here, which means okay, this place confirmed price is bearish. So we have this over here. So now we think price is going to be bearish. Now do we expect? We don't expect price to take out this. Let's go to a lower time frame, the 4 hours. 4 hours. Let's see what's happening there clearly. Can't go on the 4 hours, well. But I thought we were on the daily time frame. Can't go on the 4 hours, so let's see. Over here. Okay, like this. Let me take out the daily trend. Let's focus on this. So now what do you see here? That price is bearish. First move, pullback. Second move, pullback. The move, pullback. The move, the pullback. Next move. So now over here price fails to take out this low. Then what happens? Came here, validated this first supply, pulled back, came back up, validated the second supply. So we have our shift over here confirming price is bullish. So now what's next? Let me take out this. Let me check if I've already done that on my 4-hour trend. Okay, I've already done that. So now do we have break of structure. Over here, price violated the first supply, came here, violated our second supply over here, telling us that price is shifting upwards. Now what do we see? Price pulled back to a demand zone somewhere around here. Pulled back to a demand zone somewhere around here before going back up, giving us a new break of structure. I don't like leaving my zones marked out, so giving us a new break of structure to the upside. Now once we have this second break over here, we don't expect price to take out this demand over here. Price might violate this first supply, but it shouldn't take out this. Okay, I think we can use, yeah, this one. I wanted to say this one because this might be a low. Yeah, price must not take out this second one, this one over here. This one we can see over here because this is a low before this break over here. So yeah, price must not take out this low over there. So let's just mark that out. But I don't think price did not take it out. Price just came too close and went back up, so that was not needed for now. So what do we see? Price gave us a sweep here. Price gave us a sweep here, then kind of pulled back to this demand zone. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is a demand zone that has not been mitigated. So price must not move under this demand. That is like this is our invalidation points to confirm a sell. If price moved below this point, we would have confirmed that okay, price is bearish because we have an unmitigated block over here. That's this one. That's this one, which price missed over here. So price missed that. So let's just continue. Since we already know that okay, price is bullish, what next are we expecting in the market? That's what we should be talking about today. So we're expecting more buys, and where is our next zone? I'm currently looking at this zone. And why is that? Because price ranged over here before taking out this high over there. Now there are two zones I'm looking at. I'm looking at this zone. This is my first zone and this is my second zone. You guys can see that last bearish candle over there, but the reason why I'm not taking from this zone because this one is too close to this shift, because this is where our shift took place after price took out this high. Now what am I trying to say? Let's go to a lower time frame to check what I'm saying. So let's have our 1 hour. That's what we're going to do. 1 hour. Let me take out this H4 trend. Now on the 1 hour we have this, that price give us a break of structure around here, confirming the bears that okay, price is still bearish because price has been moving in a downtrend over here. So what do we see? Price violated this first supply, then did what? Came back to violate the second supply over here, giving us a shift. So we can call this our shift over here. So now this alone has confirmed that price is bullish, and before the shift we have this range over here. We have this range over here before the shift. That's why I'm looking at this zone, not this zone over here. So I'm going to take out all this. Since we already know what we're looking at, let's go back to our 4 hours. Then I'll just show you guys my other block. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting on AUDCAD. This is what I'm expecting on AUDCAD, for price to come to this low, then come up to take out this buy side liquidity over here before taking out our main swing high. So yeah, so that's for AUDCAD. What I'm expecting price to pull back down like this, just gradually come down like this, then triggers, and see price go back up. So these are CP1 over here. So the price to take out this high first, confirming the bulls. So once price takes out this high, we're like, okay, price is still going bullish because this is our high side liquidity. On the daily time frame, we call this our swing high because, let me show you guys why before entering our next pair. So yeah, on the daily time frame, we have this price moving downwards over here, creating our break, whatever. Then if you just take out this low, then what's happened? Pulled back just like that. So this is our new high, our high on the daily time frame. So we need to see price take out this high before you continue the bulls from the daily time frame. But for the 4 hours time frame, I would have our other block aiming this high first. So this should be our first TP, our TP1, this high. So yeah, expecting price to pull back to this zone before going up to take this high. So let's look at our next pair. That's the AUDUSD. So this is actually simple. This one is not that complicated. It's not that complicated. What do we have? Trading inducements. We have this after price gives us our break of structure, we have our change of character over here. Then inducements giving us a new break. So what happens? Expect price to come back to our main POI or our main order block around here before going back up. So we'll have this to be our break over here, our break of structure over here, then our change of character over here, our inducements over here, just like that. Our inducement giving us a break over here like this, then price pulling back to our order block or point of interest before we now stick this high. So yeah, that's what we have over here like this. That's what we have over here. We have price giving us our first break over here, then our change of character over here. By confirm my shifts when I have double supply filled. So this is our first supply that filled, and this is our second supply that fills over here. But without that, we have our first break, we have our second change of character over here. Then what's happened? We have our inducements that did not mitigate our order block over here. After the inducement creates a break over here. Expecting price pull back to our order block before going back up. So from here, I'm expecting price to reverse back up to take out this high, our buy side liquidity over here. But my main zone on the daily time frame is this high. I have a high here that I'm expecting price to take out up here. So yeah, our tip 1 is over here. Price takes out this high. This high is confirmed for us. So first we should be aiming this high before going for this high. So 2 more pairs and we're done. Let's look at GBPNZD before gold. Gold is our last pair we're looking at today for this season. So yeah, GBPNZD is just a simple pattern, head and shoulder pattern. That's what I saw over here. So yeah, you guys can see it. This is our head and shoulder pattern over here. Now we know that we want to see an inverse head and shoulder in the market. We're expecting buys. So yeah, we have our inverse head and shoulder. People say that price reverses from the neckline, that's this over here. But me, I actually look at the right shoulder, not the neckline, because I've seen price invalidates and violates this neckline so many times. As I usually look at the right shoulder, I would have been aiming this side over here for price to pull back down like this before going back up. But I have something over here, that's my range. So considering the range 202, I think price might reverse from this side. Let's go to the 4 hours and see what I'm talking about. So yeah, we have this. I have it that price did this over here, give us a break of structure over here to the downside. Then we'll have our first, because this is our first supply zone that filled. I have a first filled supply zone over here, then our second supply zone that filled over here. Then what happens? We expect price to come back to this low before going back up. But since price came here, ranged again before going back up to break, it was a new break of structure. We're expecting price to pull back to the range before going back up. Now this is our range over here. Over here, this is our range over here. We're expecting price to pull back to. So yeah, this one is very corny. You get, so we can do something like this. Expecting price not to come below this low. That's this low over here. This low over here. We don't expect price to go below that low. Yeah, so our zone is over here like that. Let's price to go below this low. That's why my stop loss is over there, and we should be aiming. Where are we aiming? So we're aiming that's high over there. Actually trading head and shoulder, we're expecting price to go more than this high, but I'm just aiming the 10 weeks to reward. So but actually we should be looking at this from the head to the neckline. That's over there. So over there, and if we're looking at it from this point, that we're expecting price to get to this high. Yes, but I'm not that greedy, so I'll just be aiming this high over here since our actual point is meant to be here. So I'll be aiming lower than that point. So yeah, that's for GBPNZD. And our last pair we're watching today is the gold. Let's look at what gold is doing. Let's check the 2 hours. I'll just be quick about that. So on the 2 hours, we just have our trend continuation. We all know that price is bullish on gold. So what do we have here? We have our first break, we have our second break. Expecting price to come back up, stake out this high, confirming the bullish trend. So now we saw a little range around here. Price just did small range around here, and what did I do? Picked my last bearish candle. Picking my last bearish candle. Now price has mitigated more than 50% of the candle. So yeah, we should just wait. If price goes below this low, then goes below this low too, we all know that price might change trend, giving us a bearish trend over there. So expecting price to just push back up lately market opens because of the war that's happening between Israel and Iran. So in the face of what gold seems to buy, just looking at that, expecting price to push back up, let's say to like this point, or to 50% of this imbalance that happened over here. Expecting price to push back to like 2384, 2034 immediately market opens. But let's see how it goes. So on AUDCAD we're expecting buys, on AUDUSD we're expecting buys, GBPNZD we're expecting buys, on gold we're also expecting buys. So yeah, wishing you a successful week ahead. So Saturdays I'll drop the results for all the trades we took this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next season.